Welcome to Hybiz News. My name is Suresh Kochata. Interest on interest waiver on crop tractor loans are not a part of the ex-gratia relief scheme. Agriculture and allied activity loans are also not eligible for interest on interest waiver announced by the government last week, the Finance Ministry has clarified. Issuing additional frequently asked questions FAQs on the scheme for grant of ex-gratia payment of difference between compound interest and simple interest, it said credit card dues outstanding as on February 29th would be considered for giving relief to the borrowers. The benchmark rate applicable for such relief would be the contract rate, which is used by the credit card issuers for the purpose of EMI loans, it added. Crop and tractor loans come under agriculture and allied loans activity and are not part of the 8 segments or classes eligible for the scheme, it added. The relief shall cover the following segments: MSME loans, education loans, housing loans, consumer durable loans, credit card dues, automobile loans, personal loans, and professional and consumption loans, according to the FAQs released by the ministry earlier on Wednesday. The Reserve Bank had asked on Tuesday all lending institutions, including non-banking financial companies, to ensure that the scheme of waiver of interest on interest loans up to ₹2 crores for the 6-month moratorium period is implemented by 5th of November as decided by the government. Last Friday, the government had announced a scheme for grant of ex-gratia payment of the difference between the compound interest and simple interest for 6 months to borrowers in specified loan accounts. Loan accounts with sanction limits and outstanding not exceeding 2 crore, aggregate of all facilities with all lending institutions, will be eligible for such accounts and would be standard in the books of the leading institutions as of cutoff date of February 29, 2020. The period reckoned for the refund shall be from March 1st to August 21st, 2020, that is 6 months from the period of 184 days, it said. The ex-gratia relief will be credited to the account of all the eligible borrowers without any requirement to apply, it said. As per the scheme, the lending institution shall credit the difference between the compound interest and simple interest with regard to the eligible borrowers in the respective accounts for the said period, irrespective of whether the borrower had fully or partially availed the moratorium on repayment of the loan announced by the Reserve Bank of India on 27th of March 2020. The scheme is also applicable for those who have not availed of the moratorium scheme and continued with the repayment of loans. The scheme, which was announced as per the direction of the Supreme Court, is likely to cost the exchequer around 6,500 crore. Thank you for watching.